Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete server on Discord. So let's start. First, open the Discord app. When you open the Discord app, it will open up your server. Now tap on three bars on top left corner. Now tap on three dots just beside your server name. Then tap on settings. From here you can see your server information. Now to delete the server, tap on three dots on top right corner. And then tap on delete server. Then tap delete. Now they will ask you for a reason. You can share your reason or you can easily close it down. And that's how you can delete a server on Discord. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.